Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford Fiesta bonnet. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm socket set, a flathead screwdriver, and a trusted friend for assistance. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, stable surface, and the engine has completely cooled down. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, let's remove the old bonnet. Carefully disconnect the washer fluid hose and any electrical connections, such as for the washer jets. With your helper supporting the bonnet, use your socket wrench to unbolt the hinges, typically 2 bolts per hinge. Once free, gently lift the bonnet off the vehicle. Store the old bonnet safely to prevent any accidental damage or scratches during the next steps. Next, it's time to install your new bonnet. With your helper, carefully position the new bonnet onto the hinge mounts, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and hand tighten the hinge bolts, but do not fully tighten them yet. You will need some play for alignment. Reconnect the washer fluid hose and any electrical components you previously detached. Ensure all connections are secure before proceeding. Finally, let's align and secure the new bonnet. Gently close the bonnet and check for even gaps around all its edges, adjusting as needed. Once aligned, fully tighten all hinge bolts to specification. Verify the latch mechanism engages properly, ensuring the bonnet closes securely. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal and test the washer jets and any lights for full functionality. Your new bonnet is now installed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.